To edit your checkout page in Squarespace, start by navigating to the Squarespace website in your web browser. Once there, click on the website and log into your account by entering your email and password information. From your account dashboard, select the website you want to edit. In the website section, click on Pages to access the pages that have already been added. And then click on the plus sign to view the available page options, including blank page, page layout, scheduling, blog, store, portfolio, events, video course, member site, and drop down, as well as link. Select System Pages and then choose the Checkout option. This will allow you to customize the appearance of your checkout page, including the background color, site logo, title color, header color, and header border color. You can also align the elements on the left, choose the button color, reset styles, and set all to system font. The checkout page will display your site title, email order summary, and other relevant information. Additionally, you can review the payment and purchase options. By following these steps, you can create a customized checkout page that suits your needs.